Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about why you should start investing at a young age. Many people think that investing is something you only start doing when you're older and have more money. But that's a misconception. In fact, investing early can have a huge impact on your financial future. So let's dive into why that is. Before we start our video, these videos are not financial advice. They are purely for entertainment purposes. First of all, when you start investing at a young age, you have time on your side. The power of compounding means that the longer your money stays invested, the more it can grow. For example, let's say you invest $1,000 at age 25 and earn a 7% annual return. By the time you're 65, that investment could be worth over $20,000. But if you wait until you're 35 to invest that same $1,000, it would only be worth around $7,600 by the time you're 65. That's a huge difference, all because of the extra time the money had to grow. Another reason to start investing early is that it helps you develop good financial habits. When you make investing a priority from a young age, you learn to save and budget your money better. You also learn to think about your financial future in a more proactive way. By investing regularly, you make your money work for you and can build a solid financial foundation for the future. Finally, investing early gives you more freedom and flexibility later in life. If you start building a nest egg early, you'll have more options down the road. You might be able to retire earlier, take a break from work to travel, start your own business, or pursue a passion project without worrying about money as much. When you have financial security, you have more choices in life. Let me give you an example to illustrate this. Meet Jane and Tom. They both graduated college at age 22 and started working full-time jobs. Jane decided to start investing $200 a month in a retirement account right away, while Tom wanted to wait until he was a little more established in his career. 10 years later, Jane has $29,000 in her retirement account, while Tom only has $15,000. Even though Jane invested only $24,000 of her own money, she has almost double what Tom has, thanks to the power of compounding. Plus, because she started early, she'll have more options for her retirement years. So there you have it, folks. Investing at a young age is a smart move that can pay off in many ways. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you're a student with a part-time job, it's never too early to start investing. Remember, time is your friend when it comes to investing, so don't wait too long to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.